Welcome to Svastik Info 007 channel. Panchaloha is traditionally described as an alloy of gold, silver, copper, zinc, and iron. It is believed that wearing jewelry made of such an alloy brings balance in life, self-confidence, good health, fortune. This bracelet made in pure Panchaloha. On this bracelet, we are going to engrave Om Sri Adi Shakti Kada Rama Devi in English language in running letters pattern. Usually, Panchaloha materials are harder than gold and silver metals. So we will try to engrave manually and help of small engraving machine also. Panchaloha idols are traditional Hindu idols made of an alloy of 5 metals: gold, silver, copper, iron, and zinc. The term Panchaloha is derived from the Sanskrit. It is widely believed that wearing jewelry made of Panchaloha or Panchdata brings balance in life, self-confidence, health, fortune, prosperity, and peace of mind. This kada is perfect for daily wear. Important note: please avoid wearing this Panchaloha kada if you are suffering from any copper allergies. To be an engraver, you need to be creative and artistic. Being able to draw is very important. Possess good manual dexterity and hand-eye coordination, as you will be using gravers to remove metal and create ornamentation. That's it, guys. We have completely done. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press thumbs up button if you really like this video and share it to friends.